Sara Duterte on supposed resignation. Never gonna happen. Alam ko, never gonna give you up eh. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Ito ay article ng Inquirer.net mga kaibigan. Vice President Sara Duterte. Wait lang, yung candy ko. Yung candy ako, mano yung boses ko eh. Vice President Sara Duterte dispelled rumors about her resignation, saying that it is never going to happen as it would be a betrayal for those who voted for her. So hindi daw magre-resign eh kasi baka pag-tax sila niya yung 32 million. Hindi ba? 32 million solid yan mga yan. Eh parang mas okay na hindi lang sa pag-resignation pero yung maging accountable din. Di ba? Balik tayo doon sa una. Maging accountable at humarap sa mga kaso at sabihin mong inosente ka. Hindi yung kung ano-ano gagawin mo dyan. Anyway, Duterte said this amid recent speculation that she may resign as she faces an impeachment trial over allegations of confidential fund misuse, unexpected wealth, and grave threat. So ito ang sabi niya uli. Never gonna happen. I will not resign because that would be a betrayal for the 32.2 million. O, diba? Sasabihin niya 32.2 million eh. Of our countrymen who voted for me. At ito daw ay interview sa Pro Duterte Facebook page. Padayon and updates. Diba? Ang mga ini-interviewhan niya ngayon ay SMNI, mga DDS vloggers. Kaya niya magpa-interview sa mga GMA, ABS. Kahit nga sa ano eh. Kahit sa, ano tawag dito, sa TV5. TV5 talaga eh, no? She even addressed President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. directly daring him to remove her from her post. From her post. So parang sinasabi dito na dapat ay kung gustong tanggalin ni BBM itong si Sara Duterte, pwede naman daw niyang gawin. Ito sabi niya, if BBM or Bongbong Marcos wants to, he can remove me. He can do everything to remove me. O, yun naman pala, tanggalin na. Hindi, mas anahin natin impeachment trial. Diba? To recall, Duterte's defense team in the impeachment trial likewise disputed the rumors by saying that resignation has never been discussed between them and their client. Ayun. So kung naalala nyo, may pinag-usapan ito sa impeachment trial na kung saan meron daw resignation plot na dapat gagawin na kung saan if manalo si BBM ng pagka-presidente, and after a period of time, dapat mag-resign na ito para daw si Sara Duterte ang maluklok bilang presidente. Eh, walang nag-resign. So, ano na, diba? Ayun. So, ayun sa defense, walang pinag-usapang resignation scheme si Bongbong at Sara. The Senate Impeachment Court recently concluded tackling the House prosecution's presentation of evidence for Article 4 of the Articles of Impeachment against Duterte at yung Article 4 na yun ay yung grave threat. So, tapos na sila doon and they will proceed to another article pero di ko alam kung anong article yung susunod nila pero malalaman natin yan in the coming days or baka bukas, baka magkaroon ng meron man schedule bukas ng impeachment trial. Hindi ko sure eh. Pero tingnan natin kung meron bukas sa January to. Kanina March, ngayon January. Anong araw ba ngayon talaga? July 28. Bukas, tingnan natin na. Anyway mga kaibigan, ano po masasabi nyo sa hindi daw magre-resign si Sara Duterte? Comment down below.